Not the chickens. I gotta see that goose again. It's a wild goose.
Look at all those chickens. They have a great life.
Oh, yeah.
Look at those wild ones. Wild chickens do.
So should it be like a commentary shot?
Why not?
We could do like a
you know?
picture-in-picture, like we're down in the corner small.
Oh, that's actually kind of cool.
It actually would be kind of sick if you like put this up here or something.
Yeah, if we had another section and it could just literally fit there.
Yeah, that would be an interesting investment.
That's a good way.
Give me a little one-finger wave.
I know, people love to wave. They're so friendly.
Doggos. Got some Sonic sparkling waters with lime and cherry. Now we're just kind of cruising around Hico, see what some of the neighborhoods have to offer.
So far, they're nice. Little quiet family neighborhoods. A lot of chickens.
So we're seeing chickens. And Kelly's.
Same thing. Ooh, fork in the road.
Which way will she take?
Easy path.
It's clothing donations.
I know, I even saw it and decided not to say.
Just kidding, y'all. I'll show you. There it is. The youth center.
Clothes closet for Saturday.
Clothes closet. My grandma Jane used to volunteer at the clothes closet. Yeah, I was gonna say it as if I knew what day she volunteered. Every week she volunteered for sure. And we would go up there all the time and look through it and get stuff.
That's cool. Seems like something your grandma Jane would do.
Mm-hmm. Always.
Oh, I love the sound of this road.
Gravel roads. Take me home. They're nice big yards.
Those are good lots, yeah.
Little farmhouses.
A lot of people are moving to hill country to commute like to Austin. I
Yeah.
wonder if Hico will see any of that. Oh, that's for sale. It was nice. I got a chicken. That one's for sale.
Cute little house. 102. 102 Hico Street.
So buy it. Nice little pin.
I don't know what to say. I literally don't know what to say to these people.
What do you want from me?
What do you want from me?
Look at these 3 doggies.
3 country dogs.
3 good boys.
Oh, that one's a good girl. Got puppies.
She has had puppies recently.
Yeah, she's probably got a whole heap of litter somewhere.
Wow.
Oh, there's a cat. There's a
Oh,
little
that's
Bones
a
cat.
big cat. Like a panther.
It's really funny having the camera mounted on the window and being like just in these people's neighborhoods.
I
And when they're in
know.
the front yard, I feel like it's
know.
like, what are y'all doing?
It does feel like that, but it's not that weird. Drive by the pile again with audio.
Yeah, we can get some auditory commentary of the pile.
I like the stone stadium look.
Yeah, it's very Coliseum.
It is. It's like fight to the death kind of energy.
Yeah, I bet that would be exciting.
Yeah. If you're a Hico tiger.
If I was a Hico tiger, what I'd do to be a Hico tiger.
I would give anything to be a Hico tiger.
Back upon the pile.
Mm-hmm.
It is curious. I do think it's like an indoor auditorium seating.
It must
That's
be.
what it looks like to me.
4th grade Oh, Griffith. That's just someone's name, but that says 4th grade on it.
Pre-K down here.
Oh, interesting. Yeah, they're ripping them out. Might not be putting anything in their place, but...
I feel like this has such a classic school look to it.
Mhm.
Looks like the school from Tony Hawk. Like you jump down off that and skate along the top of that rail.
It does have a lot of kind of sick skate spots. It's so interesting seeing a town for the first time. Like even when I talk to my friend who grew up here, it's like she doesn't think this is a cool place because you grew up and it's mundane to you because you have lived here your whole life.
Yeah.
That's how I feel about Justin.
Mm-hmm. It's so familiar that
Yeah.
the novelty and little unique features of it are lost on you.
Mm-hmm. And then you come through and you're like astounded by their chair piles.
Yeah, I mean, we don't have those kind of piles in Denton.
No.
We don't get piles that big in Denton.
No.
Drive through.
Where are you going? What are you getting? Just get whatever they give you.
Oh, it's an Italian Giovanni's. An Italian restaurant. I think it's to the left.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but we'll have to see.
Ooh, we got like a big spur coming up here.
Right, here we go. Big Spur coming.
Garage sale prices at the She Shed.
She Shed resale shop. Going out of business. That's
Oh, I'm
unfortunate.
gonna turn into the big Spur. Mainly because I like being on
Authorized
slow
trucks
roads.
only.
Oh, yikes. It's not me.
It's not a place for you to turn into, man. They made that pretty clear.
They did make it clear. I can't turn around. Coins and More store. Hey, they're fueling that thing up.
Welcome, Hico, Texas. It said Billy the Kid's buried in Hamilton, which it just said was that way.
Oh. Okay, that's kind of cool. You can see how far away it is. I'm gonna be in our video, man. Because you are.
Whether you want it or not, you're a part of the channel now. Hey, look at this little scooter boy. That's sweet. It's a good look.
That is a good look.
Travel van. Tell you're living in there.
We know what you're doing in there. Cowboy.
There's a cowboy. Got on his Sunday best.
Where's she going?
I have no idea.
I don't either.
Going into the bank side lot.
Where is she going?
She's good.
First time in Hico.
Why don't you go this way and to the right?
It really did turn into a beautiful day.
Certainly did. Simpsons clouds.
Mm-hmm. Oh, back there, we'll head to it. There's some type of baseball fields, or maybe that's where the rodeo happens. Oh, it's gated.
You're not going back there.
Darn, okay. Alright, they don't want you to go back there. Chickens.
Such a country little house. It's so cool. Hico Hall. Live music.
today. Let's try and see it. Oh, oh, those are the mill. That's the mill. That's a rock climbing
You're
gym.
right.
Or not
That's
a mill,
cool.
a silo.
Silo rock climbing
Yeah.
up there. I can climb up the outside of it.
That's cool. They had that one at that one that I photographed in Oklahoma.
Mm-hmm.
They had an exterior one, and that was terrifying.
That's the boy playing tonight.
Oh,
That's the
wow!
band. That's why they're
the
here so early.
band. Give us a sample.
Well, it's a diddly. Is that the right word?
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
It's a little
good. A little diddly? I don't know if that's the right word. Yeah, I don't know if that's proper.
Yeah, I think it's like maybe like
It's
play
like
us a tune.
a tune, a melody.
Melodically.
I don't know about it. I don't know nothing.
Oh, we gotta drive over that bridge.
Let's do it.
Load zoned. I don't know what that means.
I imagine that it's, you just can't have too big of a load, and I doubt we do.
Okay, we're good then.
Look at that thing.
Oh, that's a little trail.
I remember seeing that, actually. The walking trail.
Please don't be too heavy of a load. Oh, that makes my stomach drop.
I think we made it. It's a little park.
It's like a pretty big park for the amount of people that live here.
Yeah, it's like all 1,300 of them can be out here.
It's for real. It's nice.
Whoa.
Are these campsites?
I don't see any. I think it might just be day camping. Oh, up here you mean?
Yeah, I think they're
Yeah,
some
you're right.
These are campsites. It's cool.
Definitely
But yeah, it
is.
does look like you could do a little farmer's market under the pavilion.
Yeah. It's definitely. Oh, I mean, clearly it's a campsite of some sort.
We got campers.
Tell that
right
to this
there.
Dang, how do you get the Tiger Head camp spot?
Oh wow. Gotta request spot 8 like months in advance.
That's nice.
That is nice. I love how ununiform it is. That it's like clearly handmade. It's like really
Yeah.
adds to the authenticity
It's a
of
little
it.
folk-arty.
Yeah, it is.
Folkarty.
Folkerty.
That is a nice camper. Yo.
That's more than I can afford.
That's more than I care to afford.
Yeah. Luxury RVing right there.
That's nice. That's how they do it in Hico.
Mm-hmm. Oh, got the swamp site.
I think they prefer to call it a river.
I get that. Well, there's a little tour of the Hico City Park. There we go. What does it say? Like how much is camping? or anything?
Reservations only. Doesn't say the cost, but how to call and get a spot. If you park without a reservation, you shot yourself.
Alright, back over the bridge. Oh, we got some fishermen or just some looky-loos?
I think we might have waved at those same folks in that neighborhood a while back.
Oh, you're right. We sure did.
That's interesting.
Small town.
Small town.
Check out this little Hico poultry and egg shop. This isn't climbing gym property. Get out of here. Oh, the Minion, front porch Minion. I'm gonna pull over because I'm driving slow. I'm gonna let this person pass me.
It's cool.
Mm-hmm.
I love climbing gyms like that.
Yeah, it's really neat.
It's a very smart repurposing of those buildings.
It is. There's not a lot you can do with old silos. And that's a good use for it. Wow, this old gas station sign. That's cool. we're at 20 minutes almost on the exterior.
Should we stop it? Reset at least?
Yeah.